Planning is where every great project begins. This is Belentino. Planning and approvals, navigating the full regulatory landscape from pre-application to consent. The UK planning system governs every significant alteration to the built environment. From householder applications to full planning submissions, from conservation area consents to listed building approvals, each pathway has its own requirements, its own timescales, and its own risks. Understanding this landscape is essential. Permitted development rights allow certain extensions and alterations without a full planning application. Single-story rear extensions up to 6 meters on a semi-detached property. Loft conversions adding up to 40 cubic meters. But restrictions apply in conservation areas, on listed buildings, and where Article 4 directions are in force. A Lawful Development Certificate provides written confirmation that your project falls within these rights. When permitted development doesn't apply, a householder planning application is required. We prepare and submit complete applications including site plans, elevations, floor plans, design and access statements, and heritage impact assessments where needed. Current determination period is 8 weeks, or 13 weeks for applications requiring an environmental impact assessment. Conservation area projects demand a heightened level of sensitivity. Materials, scale, massing, and architectural detailing must respect the character of the area. We work with heritage officers early in the process to understand constraints and shape proposals that respect local character while delivering modern living standards. At our Battersea project, we navigated the planning process for a rear extension in a conservation area. 2 design options were developed, Option A for a single-story ground floor extension, Option B incorporating a first-floor addition. Both were prepared with full planning drawings and submitted with a detailed design and access statement. In Cambridgeshire, we secured planning approval for a comprehensive front and rear transformation. The scheme required careful consideration of the street scene, neighbour amenity, and drainage. Before and after elevations demonstrated how the design enhanced the property while respecting its context. Planning permission and building regulations are separate but equally essential approvals. Building regulations ensure that construction meets standards for structural safety, fire protection, energy efficiency, ventilation, and drainage. We coordinate both processes in parallel, ensuring no delays between planning approval and construction start. The Party Wall Act applies to most extensions built on or near a boundary. We manage the entire party wall process, serving notices, appointing surveyors, and agreeing schedules of condition. This prevents disputes and protects both the building owner and adjoining owners throughout the project. From initial feasibility through to final sign-off, we manage every regulatory step. Pre-application advice. Full planning submission. Building regulations approval. Party wall agreements. Building control inspections. And the final completion certificate. A seamless regulatory journey. Beauty with intent. Value by design. Discuss your planning requirements at belentino.com.